Okay, so hello everyone. Today is day 11 for our practice. So what we did today was basically just going over to the basics of NLP, uh, learning a bit about regex. Uh, we can use like to solve NLP problems. We can use rule or heretics and method go for DL. Okay, the spacey versus an LTK. So spacey was object-oriented programming based, and LTK was like something string based. How to check the what is that term. Okay, and analytic is basically more better for research purposes, and you're just looking to run the code in a high level way, just go for spacey. And for researchers, basically analytic is better. It is also older. Great. Okay, and also I went over the basic uh, structures of RNN. Okay, we have RNN. So basically, why there was a need of for RNN? So basically, when we are working in the words, basically there's a sequence of words. So we can't use CNN over that because CNN or neural network expects a fixed input, fixed size input. So if we'll use that, then there would be a problem. And other than that, if we try to use that, so we need to convert the words into a vector or some kind of numbers. And let's say we are doing one hot encoding. So the computational cost is very high because uh, let's say there's a 5,000 size vocabulary, or there will be much more. And the other one not coding there a lot number of words, then obviously cost will be very higher. And also there would be like would there be some relation between the words? We are treating each word separately, and also think to handle that like some kind of position coding or relation between the words. Okay, and that I studied LSTM. Okay, and LSTM also contains basically other than short-term memory, it contains long-term memory too. And there are three gates: forget gate, input gate, output gate. And next one was GRU. Okay, GRU then short-term memory and long-term memory are combined. There is only one type of memory. Okay, and there it contains a reset and update gate. Okay, I have actually searched on ChatGPT. CML3 gate, I'll forget. Decide what information to discard, create, input, what is it to store in the cell state, what information to outperform the current cell state. Okay, this is cell state to update. Date involves current memory controlled by IFT. Create, forget, what is it discard, input, what is it stored in the cell state, and what to output. Okay, in GRU it contains reset and update. Reset and what to forget and how much to keep. Reset and update. Okay, that there was bidirectional RNN. The name suggests there's also RNN in the backward direction also. Okay, so other than then there was word embeddings. Word embeddings embedding are converting the words into numbers in that aspect only. And word to vector, same way. Okay, then there was a bird. Bird was better, no? We have to I think it also remembers some semantic like relation between the words. Okay, how is bird special compared? Word to vector was very simple. Just converting word to vector. There was like no relation between the entire compared with the other sentence. Let's say we are using in one sentence as apple a food. I am eating an apple now, and I love apple because the iPhones have good picture quality. So in word to vector, both have same embeddings. But if we go for this bird, the embedding should be different because it contains like semantic info. It captures the semantic information. Semantic word is correct on root. Fixed embedding, contextual, contextual embeddings. Okay, I won't go into detail. Then there was a transformer. There was a tension mechanism. Okay, actually, just I went over very basic understanding for all that. I will need to go through the blogs and do hands-on to deepen my understanding of all these. Okay, I will need blocks 1 or 2 more to complete this tutorial and also get hands-on on the projects. After that, I'm planning to build my own chatbot, like practice on chatbot. So this will be a different kind of work. So this not different. Uh, Title will be resume and job prep assistant. Okay, I will talk about it later. That's just wrap today. Bye bye.